Fran Lab.
Fran, how are the shorts doing? They're all doing tremendously well. I sort of inadvertently stumbled upon the secret sauce of having a YouTube channel. You have to do shorts, and they have to be a certain way. And for whatever reason, the YouTube algorithm likes my voiceover shorts of the recaps. So I haven't done any these past 2 weeks because of Artemis. Artemis has been taking all my time, but I will be resuming them this week on Fridays. The recap boil down shorts. The algorithm likes them, and as long as the algorithm likes them, I'll keep cranking them out as long as I'm able, once a week. So, it's made a big difference on the channel as far as views go and subscribers and everything. I've been quite surprised. I'm glad that I don't have to make a shorts channel. I don't want to become a shorts channel, but the idea that I can make shorts that fall into a kind of a format that I can enjoy and that I know that my viewers can enjoy, that isn't like the absolute garbage that they're being fed on shorts feeds all the time, that it has educational content, that it can be entertaining, that I can, reference a much longer form video that has all of the details in it, so it doesn't have to be like a stupefied version, but more like a Cliff Notes version that will just take you back to the full length thing, and you can get all the info that you want.
Beginning around 1959, the IEE engineer Donald Gumpertz began developing a unique single-character cathode ray tube that they initially called the Model BA. It operated at 1700 volts DC and used an array of grids to shoot beams of electrons through a metal mask that shaped each beam into a specific number, which was in turn focused onto a phosphor screen deposited at the far end of the tube. The tube had a single cathode that was heated by a 1.1 volt AC filament, which was also offset with a 4.5 volt DC positive bias from the power supply. An array of 10 individual grids could either be at ground, which was negative to the filament bias, thereby repelling electron flow, or opened with a 7.5 volt DC offset, which would cause a narrow beam of electrons to shoot through a specific opening in the character mask, which shaped the beam, and the chosen character would be projected onto the phosphor screen. Despite the complex power requirements, once the tube's anode was energized with the high voltage, it was relatively easy to control the display with simple transistor switching of the control grids. IEE had already come out with their daring Binaview by the early 1960s, but work continued on their secret little CRT project unabated. After 7 years of experimentation and refinement, the first production units were produced in December of 1966, and 2 years later, a nationwide Name the Tube contest was held, whereby people could submit their own ideas for determining the official name of the Model BA display. Out of some 50 or so finalists that were considered by the IEE top staff, the winner was the Philadelphia engineer Abraham Fuchs, who submitted the name Nimmo, and his reward? A brand new 19-inch General Electric television set. Fran Lab. That's what you're watching.
So I've been very happy with how the shorts have turned out. I've got an awfully long back catalog of videos, 1,600 and counting right now, YouTube tells me. So there are many, many videos. So I have a feeling that I could probably be cranking out the weekly throwback shorts for quite some time. Quite some time. You could do a poll, but most of us prefer longer format vids. Yes. Well, okay, the important thing to remember about the shorts is that those of you who watch my live stream, you're all going to prefer my long form vids. I have like 290 some thousand subscribers. There's only like about 6,000 of those subscribers that ever readily watch my channel at any one time, so it's like a fraction of a percent, like a third of a percent, of the actual subscribers actually ever watch my channel. But the shorts themselves are not viewed by subscribers. This is the thing. The reason the shorts have been such a success is that they go into the shorts feed, and the vast majority of people who are watching my weekly shorts are not people who have ever watched my channel before. They're for the most part totally new viewers who've never seen my channel, who aren't subscribers. That's one of the weird facets about doing the weekly shorts. They're not to seem, crass, but they're not made for you, my cherished viewers. Although I desperately want it to be a kind of format that you would like to watch. I do know the very strong opinions of regular viewers about shorts, but I make the shorts in a format and in a way that I would hope that regular viewers would enjoy as well. But the way that YouTube sends them out into the YouTube verse in the shorts feed, they really aren't pushed on my subscribers. They are really viewed by totally new audiences, and that's really what's been keeping my channel going, because the shorts have been bringing thousands of people to the channel who've never been here before. And that's really what as far as what the channel goes, that's really the benefit of doing the weekly shorts is that it is really a totally new, untapped audience for the channel. We'll see how it goes. Go for 300K subscribers, a goal. To get to 300,000 subscribers is my goal. Let's see who gets that one. We'll see. My subscriber count has been like a brick wall. It got up to like 295-ish, and it stayed there for the last 3 years, unmoving. It's just strange. It got to this like ceiling, and then it just kind of goes down and up and down and up and down and up. But it pretty much just got up to not quite 300,000, got to like 295, and it just stayed there. And I've been slowly like adding like by grains of sand, adding a little bit here and there. It might slowly go to 300K by the end of the year, but there's just some limit I hit with subscribers. I basically lose as many as I gain every year, no matter what I do. So subscriber count's just gonna sit where it is, I think.
Work in the lab, go berserk in my lab. It's where I work.